Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I hope everybody had a fantastic holiday weekend. Here's where we are. We hit that 32.75 area last week. Here. On Friday, the best they could do was 34.5. So a higher low versus Thursday. And, it's right on the top of that old price range, which is where I have this triangle here from last week's webcast, the 1620 to 1632 half, 1633. That was an area that needed to come back and get tested. Why? That was the area of the breakout. Came back, tested that area, confirmed it, and now we're headed higher. I also mentioned in that webcast you need to be careful. 1660 up to 1665 half, which is a 62% retracement of the move from 1685.75 to 1632.75, so the pullback. If that 65 half area gets breached, then the bears have opened themselves up to new highs. And when I say new highs, I'm talking about anywhere from 1688 to 1703. Depending on how far the bulls are able to run with it, because the argument that we're stretched, that we're overbought, that the buyers are tired, all these things go away. Why? Because you just retrace 50 handles. So all that pressure has come out, and here come the dip buyers at a very logical level. And now they've run it back up another 30 handles. And if you're a bear at this point, the only thing you're thinking is this: here we go again. Here we go again. And in my opinion, the smart bears, the ones that really want to knock this market down, are already back out again. And they're going to watch people try to call the top on this thing and constantly get stopped out, and we, as we move higher and higher. They're not. I firmly believe that they're not involved, and they'll wait for something else like the 1685.75, where things just got completely out of hand. We went to 60 handles over the 45-day pivot, which is my terminology for that was is crazy town, and then they'll short it then. Because doing it there, you'll do very well. So the bulls are back in the driver's seat. They need to push over 66 into 68. And if they can do that, especially if they can close above that area, then they've established 33 as very reliable support twice, as a breakout area and as an area that was retested. And they're going to try to take that 1660 area back over. 1660 was big for us. It was these two lows here the day before the move up to 85. So we've moved back above that area, which is essentially the 50% retrace. A close above 1660 today is pretty bullish. So those are just a few of the things that I'm looking for today. I would expect there to be support in the 53 to 55 area on a pullback today. These two highs here, you had a high here, 55 quarter. 55 half during the holiday trade. So 55, 54 to 56 down to 53 down to this fib level, pretty reliable support on a pullback today. I think we'll get a little, we've come up quite a bit here in the overnight. I think off the open you'll get a little bit of a move down. But unless the bears can really come in and establish themselves, we should stair-step higher today, take out that 65 half level, and go back to work up towards 1670 to 1674. So things to look out for. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. Check out our website. Check out our chat room over at thehammerstone.com. You can also get information about that over on our website, Princetontrader.com. Have a great day, everybody. Be back tomorrow with another webcast. Trade them well.